Sir. Sir.
தேவி மெயில் வந்துருச்சா தேவி?
அனுப்பிச்சாச்சு சார். உங்களுக்கு ஜஸ்ட் ஃபார்வர்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
ஓகே ஓகே யார் ராகுல்? ஓகே
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
Yeah, thank you, Rahul.
ஓகே விக்னேஷ்.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, my voice is audible, right?
ஹலோ திக்னேஷ்.
Sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Ignesh?
Sir, am I audible? Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, Ignesh.
Yes, ma'am.
You can hear us?
Yes, ma'am. No.
We are not able to hear you.
Just a minute.
Ignesh, just unmute yourself and then speak.
Yes, ma'am.
I think some issues.
Now it is audible, ma'am.
Video cut in sign language cut.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
okay.
we can hear.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, Ignesh, can you just introduce yourself? Briefly, just introduce.
Hello, sir, and hello, ma'am. Good morning to one and all. First of all,
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. Myself, Thambi Dignesh. I am from Godur, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation in MBKR Institute of Science and Technology with 83 percentage in Vidyanagar, 2024. In my third year of graduation, I led a team of 5 members in a community service project titled Safety Switching of Three-Phase Induction Motor in Fields as a team leader, which led to switch the three-phase motors in fields remotely through mobiles. And in my fourth year of graduation, I led a team of 5 members in main project titled Analysis of Impact of Electrical Vehicle Charging Stations on Power Grid. We faced key challenges during community service project for demonstration of our project in the community we chose. So for that, we worked more time for demonstrating the project in the community By the end of the project, we completed on time and received a positive feedback from our faculty for its demonstration and execution. From this experience, I got a little bit practical knowledge on motors, starters, and the switching operations, which made me interested to go for course a job. And in my final year, I got recruited by MCOT Technologies, and they given trainings for 6 months on CRP panels. For a testing engineer, I had experience on testing and configuring the numerical relays for feeder protection and transformer protection. Mm, my short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company as a testing and commissioning engineer to start my career. And my long-term goal is to achieve a good position where I can build my career and help the organization too. So, uh, my hobbies are watching YouTube videos, which improve my skills, and to enjoy with my family and friends. Lastly, I can work hard. This is my strength. Coming to my weakness, I will get nervous during initial days. I hope in my future I will overcome this weakness. That's it about myself, sir, and thank you.
Okay, Ignesh, good to know about you.
Thank you, sir.
So okay, your projects and all you have explained. Okay, so we'll further see how to look into it. But whatever the trainings you have been imparted for the past 6 months,
Yes, sir.
okay, what are the things you have learned from there?
Sir, from basics, sir, itself, elements in CRP panel and their working and their operation, bus configuration and testing and configuring the numerical relays for for transform protection and failure protection, and design also, sir.
No, you're talking about design of.
So design of ME panel, sir. From basics, designing of ME panel during short periods, sir.
Okay, okay. So along with me, I have two other team leads from FAD side. So one is Mr. Karthikeyan and Mr. Naveen Kumar. Okay, so they will also be asking you some questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whatever you are telling feeder protection. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what are the IEDs you've seen in that, and what are the relays? Basically, maybe it's auxiliary relay, electromechanical, whatever it is. What are the various relays you have seen in that, and what are the numerical IEDs you have seen in that? Can you just explain on that?
Sir, I seen numerical release that is IED P343, sir. That is for generator differential, and that we can test it for feeder protection as well as transformer protection. Uh, I tested it for both transformer and feeder separately. In that feeder protection, the list of protections are overcurrent protection and HFR protection and LVB protection and over voltage and under voltage, yes, sir, in that relay. And coming to auxiliary relay, master trip relay, uh, from numerical relay, when the protection is operated, it gives the signal to auxiliary relay to trip the circuit breaker, sir. It is a lockout relay or 86 or master trip relay, sir.
Hi, Bob. Good morning. I am Karthik here.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
You told that in a short time you learned something about MV engineering, right? So, what are
Yes,
the
sir.
factors you will consider that before during engineering stage? What are the factors to be considered?
Sir, not getting factors. Mean,
No, what and all inputs is required because you are doing engineering for
yes,
MV
sir.
switchgear. Okay. So, what and all you will be considered during engineering? Because what is engineering basically?
Uh, to design something for an operation and
Okay, to
how to
design
test
something,
it.
what and all, yeah, you
Yes,
require
sir.
for designing.
Sir, some inputs is needed, sir.
What and all that inputs?
That is customer requirement, sir. How the overall construction should happen and overall design of the panel should happen. Uh, there should be some list of drawings and how it should be arranged and what are the requirements of elements is needed and how it should be arranged in that panel.
No, elements means what elements? You are telling generically. Okay. So I
So,
want specific things. What to be considered during engineering? Okay. So what and all the bus configurations you know?
so single main bus configuration, single main transfer bus configuration, double main bus configurations, and double
Then
main transfer bus configuration.
any other? Only these configurations are available.
Um, so these only I got trained, sir, and some other I knew that is 1.5 square bus configuration.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the panels and all you know completely like the testing of panels.
Yes, sir. Testing of panels, sir.
Okay. So what and all will be there in the panel?
Sir, in panels there will be some elements for the operation
No,
of
I don't want
primary.
elements.
Uh, yes,
Elements is that's a generic word. So what and all the equipments you'll use in the panel? What is the functionality of that panel? But that equipments. You just explain about that in that point of view.
sir. In a system, there will be primary system that is of higher voltages.
No panels. No, Dignesh. Panels will use
Sir,
for primary or secondary.
sir, panel is for secondary, sir. These secondary elements should be operated uh, to primary, sir. For the operation of primary, we need a secondary, and the secondary elements will be in the panel, sir.
Okay, you tell the equipments. What and all will be there in the panel. So what are the functions of that particular equipment? Why we need that equipment?
Yes, sir. Numerical relays, sir. Numerical relays, which is
No,
used
first thing. What is the basic thing that is required for the panels? Numerical relay. Okay,
no, sir.
for measuring the voltage and current for operating the breaker, right?
Yes, sir.
So other than this, what are the basic things will be there in the panel?
Sir, auxiliary relays, annunciators.
Axle relays. Why axle relays are required?
Sir, applications
Why we
based on
call us
applications.
no, 1 minute. Why we call us axle relays? Why it's required?
Sir, yes, for issuing any trip to instead of one operation of relay, it will give the many contacts for it relay operations, sir. If one got operated to get various outputs from that, we need auxiliary relays, sir. It will get from one input to it will give many outputs, sir. Auxiliary relays by giving
Okay, it's
one
like a
input to the
multiplexer
auxiliary
only.
relay. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are right. It's like a multiplexer. So we are using instead of giving the contact from directly from the relay, we are using some auxiliary relays to manipulate the
Multiple
contacts or
contacts.
multiply the
Yes, sir.
contacts, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any other thing? Okay, multiplexer. Okay, auxiliary relay. Okay, then what and all will be used?
Annunciator, trip coil supervision relay, push
Okay.
buttons, indication lamps,
Okay.
semaphore indicators, T&C switch, selector switch, terminal blocks, test terminal blocks,
Okay. What is
test
a
blocks.
what is terminal blocks? What is test terminal block? What is the difference between these two?
Yes, sir. Terminal block is used to connect or disconnect the uh, two, two wires in a panel side. And test terminal block is it is used to calibrate the energy meter without disconnecting the terminals from CT/PT. So without removing the connection of CT and PT, by using test terminal block, we can calibrate the energy meter, sir.
Calibrate.
Yes, sir.
Calibrate or during maintenance time, we will use the test terminal block to isolate that particular circuit. Why we
Sir,
use that test terminal block?
sir, it isolate and for the metering purpose, test terminal block is used, sir. It will isolate the CT and PT, sir.
Okay, what is the test block?
Uh,
Have you used test block in our panel? Have you seen
Sir.
test block?
For testing the numerical relays, we need test block, sir. Test block,
Only for testing the numerical relay?
it will connect the CT/PT terminal, sir, to the numerical relay. It is the connection point from the CT and PT terminals in the system to the panel, sir. It is the connecting
Okay,
point.
other than
During
no, other than CTPT, what and all will be there in the terminal blocks?
test block, sir.
Test blocks, yes.
That's it, sir. It is used to open the PT and it is used to start the CT seconds.
Because for better clarity, I'll explain you in another way. We are having
Yes,
supply side and relay side. Okay.
yes, sir.
So supply side is coming from yard and relay side that is connected to the panel. So to isolate the supply side and relay side, we are using the test block.
Test blocks.
Okay. So only not only for CTPT, we are having a trip isolation also. Because based on the requirement, this and all will be defined during engineering. Okay. So there will be a trip isolation S2 R2. We are having 10 blocks. All are NC. There will be one NO will be there. Okay, to isolate the tripping. If you remove that, the breaker tripping will get isolated from that particular S2 R2. Okay, so we are having trip isolation or auxiliary supply isolation. So based on the requirement of customer, we can give the test block. It may be a trip isolation or supply
Auxiliary.
isolation. Okay, another thing is CTPT. I think you have seen only CTPT, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so axle relay explain and then test terminal block TTP explain because we want only the basic things what you know in the panel.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because other things you can learn easily. So why we use trip circuit supervision relay?
Uh, it supervise the trip coil of CB, sir. Uh, Whether the
Trip coil
CB trip
FCB
coil,
normally will trip coil supervision. No, why we are telling
sir,
trip circuit
relay.
supervision? No, you first
I didn't get it, sir.
told trip circuit supervision. Then second you told trip coil supervision. What is the difference between these two?
Trip coil supervision, sir.
Okay, trip coil. That's correct only, right? That is not
Yes, sir.
circuit
Sir.
because we are having one more circuit supervision is also there in the panel.
Yes, sir.
So you know about that?
Sir, that is, I think, that is for AC supervision and DC supervision.
No, no. AC supervision, DC supervision is for supply supervision, pa. Okay. This trip
Circuit.
circuit supervision. Next, we are having coil supervision is coming from the breaker. Trip circuit supervision is to monitor the supply in 86 relay. Suppose in case of 86 tripping relay, anything has happened or coil is getting open. So by means of that trip coil supervision, sorry, trip circuit supervision will monitor that circuit.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is trip circuit
Trip
supervision.
circuit supervision.
Any
But
change over
coil,
circuit have you seen in the scheme?
sir, change our circuit.
Change over circuit have you used or have you tested in the panels? No.
That is for voltage and PT terminals. That is for PT changing from bus 1 to bus 2.
Okay. Any other thing like so trip circuit changeover you didn't use okay. Then EFS and all EFS switch, bay control unit.
Rectifier switch, yes, sir.
What ba?
Rectifier switch, right, sir?
No. Bay control unit and all you have not seen, right? Bay control unit C264 and all have you tested?
Sir, B shoes, it, they that is for control purpose, sir, but not tested, sir. Only
Okay,
the
only you are concentrating on relay part.
sir, numerical release on, sir.
Okay. And there will be a three. Can you explain about trip coil supervision circuit? So how it will behave, how the behavior will be, how the function will be. Can you explain?
Mm, trip coil supervision relay, sir. Mm.
Hmm.
Sir, in trip coil supervision relay, there will be three relays, sir. One relay, it is directly connected to post close contact of a CB, sir, and one coil is in series with the uh, first coil in TCS relay, and the output is connected to post close, sir. It will
Can
the
you draw? You are having paper. You are having paper. Can you draw
Sir,
and show
can I
me?
explain in paint, sir? Can I share my screen and I can draw in it?
Yeah. You can draw in paper also. That's also okay for me.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is visible, sir. Sir,
Yeah, it's not visible clearly. You just take a snap and share it to Devi ma'am. Okay. Or to your Rahul.
sir,
Or
no,
நம்ம வேலிடேட் பண்ணி சொல்லிடுவோம் சார்.
sir, no, it's visible. It's in Netherlands.
No, no, just a minute. No, no, you just show it properly. Show it
Sir,
properly.
I'll draw in paint, sir.
No issues, no issues. Tilt your screen alone. Tilt your screen. Tilt your screen. Camera.
Sir,
The
laptop.
sunshade is falling on it.
Yeah, fully shading here.
No.
Laptop, you bring that the laptop little
Towards
bit
you.
towards you. Laptop screen alone.
Screen ఉంది కదా దాంట్లో టిల్ట్ చేయి.
No, no, no. Actually, normalize.
Sir,
Okay. Just show now.
Bring it closer.
sir,
So trip coil, from the coil you are taking the negative, and through the contact you are giving it to one coil. So what you will tell this coil? We are having two coils, right?
sir, A and B, relay on coil and relay to coil.
No. What is the name of the two coils? Because C coil will continuously monitor A and B.
Yes, sir. A coil.
What is A coil? What is B coil?
Sir, during post close or CB close condition, A will monitor the CB supply, sir, to coil supply, sir. During post close or CB in open condition, B coil will monitor the supply for CB.
No. Actually, you are I think confusing that. We are having pre-close operation and post-close
Post
operation.
close operation.
Okay. Pre-close operation monitoring before closing the breaker. Post-close operation will monitor after closing the breaker, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Relay part. What you know? What and all you have tested in the relay? What relays have you tested? G relays.
Sir, P343, sir.
Only P343 you have tested.
Yes, sir.
Other than this, any other relay? You can put the notebook down here.
Yes, sir.
No, only 343 relay. Have you
Yes,
tested
sir.
only 343 relay? Other than this, any other relay you tested in your platform?
Sir, for line protection, I tested for P344, sir.
P
Some
triple
basic,
four you tested. So you know completely about P444?
not completely, sir.
Okay. And for differential, any other relay have you tested?
No, sir, only 2343, sir.
What are the protections you have in 343?
Sir, in P343, overcurrent protection, default protection, over voltage, and under voltage, and it, CB fail protection, differential protection, E by F protection, REF and CF, tested for the
No.
protection.
No, we are expecting one thing here because 343 is mean for some other protection.
Generator differential protection.
Yes, that is the first one you have to tell because that is mean for that.
Yes, sir.
3 stands for generator because we are having 9 series of relays. Okay, so many protections. The important thing you didn't convey to us, like field
Sir,
there, that is the important protection, and pole slipping will be there. That is another important protection.
yes, sir.
Out of slip will be there, and then impedance will be there.
Differential తెలుసా? Differential. You know about anything about differential protection? How it works and principle?
Yes, sir. Can I explain, sir?
Yeah. Differential protection. Explain about differential protection. How it works. Do you have any idea?
Yes, sir. Differential protection
Okay.
is. Can I explain, sir?
Yeah. You explain. You
Yes,
continue.
sir. Differential protection is for transformer protection. It is a unit protection. Uh, Unit protection it protects the particular object for a particular region only, sir. The faults happen in this particular region only. The relay should operate. And the faults beyond this protection region or faults happening in the XMAM region, the relay should not operate for those faults there. Differential protection is for transformer protection. Transformer is having HV winding and LV winding. Two CTs are connected uh, at HV side and LV side. The relay takes both the currents from HV side and LV side, and it will both compares and subtracts both the currents from HV side and LV side. If differential current is zero, then it is assumed that then it is taken as normal. And if the differential current is not zero, then uh, the fault exists in the system and relay should operate for the fault. That is differential protection, sir. And differential protection is having two types, sir. One is low impedance and another is high impedance. Mm, Relay operates on the principle of ID is equals to I1 plus minus I2. Uh, HV side current is taken as positive side and LV side current is taken as negative side due to the current flowing in the relay. Both HV side and the LV side currents are oppositely flowing to the relay, so it will subtract both the currents. If any differential current owned by the relay, then it will operate the protection and it will trip the circuit breaker. Coming to low impedance differential protection, mm, HV side CTs are separately connected to the relay and LV side phase CTs are separately connected to the relay. Mm, Relay calculates the differential current from HV side and LV side, whereas in the CT ratios at the primary side and secondary side will be different. Mm, but in high impedance, the phase CTs at HV side and LV side should be shorted and it will be given as one CT in the numerical relay. The CT ratios of primary side and LV side should be same in high impedance. Uh, there are some slope characteristics for the optimal operation of differential relay. Sir, can I explain in pain, sir?
Okay, but sufficient. Okay. Okay, Dignesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have asked you some questions and okay, we'll internally discuss and we'll let you know. Okay, further Devi madam will be in contact with your teams. Okay, and she'll communicate to them. Okay,
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
all the best.
Thank you, sir.
All the best, but thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So
Thank you,
you
sir.
can ask another. You can now ask Reddy Vamsi
Yes, sir.
to join immediately.
Sure, sir. Sir, any feedback on the performance?
Uh, okay, we cannot now say on the technical part, but okay, your communication, you are good at it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so on technical part, you are okay. As of now, your basic level. Okay, so we need to further discuss and we have to come out with a final decision. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so all the best. Learn more. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye.